Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. The topic for today is state legislature, its composition and qualification for becoming a member of state legislative assembly. This topic is meant for the students of political science of class 11th. This topic is from chapter number 5, legislature, of your text book prescribed. So, the topic is state legislature. Dear students, the Indian Republic is called a union of states. India has states and also some union territories. The 69th Amendment of the Constitution Act, the 69th Amendment Act of Constitution of 1991 provided that the UT of Delhi could also have a legislative assembly and a council of ministers. The states of India vary in terms of having houses in their assemblies. Some states have only one house, that is known as the Legislative Assembly or the Vidhan Sabha. Some states have two houses, lower house and upper house, known as bicameral legislature. The states of Maharashtra, Bihar, UP, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir had two houses. The lower house is called the Vidhan Sabha or Legislative Assembly, and the upper house is called the Vidhan Parishad or Legislative Council. Now again, the states having bicameral legislature: Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Jammu and Kashmir was also having a bicameral legislature. It had both lower house legislative assembly and upper house legislative council. Now Jammu and Kashmir it was divided, partitioned into two UTs, UT of Jammu and Kashmir and UT of Ladakh. Now composition of the legislative assembly. The Legislative Assembly comprises of members chosen directly by the people on the basis of universal adult franchise. The number of members shall not be more than 500 and less than 60 in the Legislative Assemblies. However, special provisions exist in some states of India like Goa, Mizoram and Sikkim. The Legislative Assembly of Sikkim does not consist of less than 30 members. The Legislative Assembly of Goa and Mizoram have 40 members each. Uttar Pradesh has 404 seats, which is the highest number of seats. The framers of the Indian Constitution also made special provisions for representation of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Assembly. Provision has also been made for the nomination of members of Anglo-Indian community if the governor thinks it is appropriate to give adequate representation to the community in the Legislative Assembly. The tenure of Legislative Assembly is 5 years unless it is dissolved before the expiry of term, either due to an emergency or downfall of government. Now, qualifications for becoming a member of Legislative Assembly. यानी Legislative Assembly का member बनने के लिए किस काबिलियत या अहलियत का होना ज़रूरी है? Number 1, a person should be a citizen of India. हमारे मुल्क हिंदुस्तान का शहरी होना ज़रूरी है. ये नंबर 1 क्वालिफिकेशन है मेंबर बनने के, MLA बनने के लिए. Number 2, he should not be less than 25 years of age उसकी कम से कम उम्र 25 साल होनी चाहिए। ये 25 साल कम उम्र नहीं होनी चाहिए। He should not hold any office of profit under the government. वो किसी ऐसे इदारे में काम नहीं करता है जो इसकी क्वालिफिकेशन में रुकावट डाल सके, जो ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट हो। Number 4, he should hold any such qualification as prescribed by the parliament. इसके अलावा उसकी एहलियत काबिलियत जो पार्लियामेंट ने प्रिस्क्राइब की है एमएलए बनने के लिए, उसका होना ज़रूरी है। Dear students, I think it is enough for today. खुदा हाफिज़। Stay home, stay safe.